Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of notifications like your audio has been removed from a reel. But when you will click on it and you will try to change the audio, we are getting a kind of error. So I will show you in my mobile screen uh, how that is happening. So here you can see the notification, the original audio is no longer available. So you have to click on this, and when you will click on audio, you will get the option to replace the audio. Click on replace audio, and from here you can select the audio whatever you want to select from your Instagram library. So after selecting, you will see when I will click on here and I will click on done, you will see I am getting a error here. So the audio is not getting saved. So let me know if you are also facing similar issues. In past I have changed audio multiple times, but this time I am getting this type of error. So let me know if you know any solution about this.